All right, everybody, we wanted to show you another Amazon buy. This Black+Decker variable speed pool pump. We've had it running outside for the entire 2023 season. Our pool pump went out last year, so we had this one installed. It works phenomenal. This was a direct replacement for the 1.5 horsepower Pentair or Hayward type pumps. Standard 2-inch connections that comes with it. Drain ports, even the foot pegs lined up back to the old spots. You know, your control panel there with different speeds for the variable setting. And you have a different discharge port over here that you can use your standard basket. But it runs phenomenal, so we'll go around and show you how we have it set up, because there has been some questions on whether you can put this on a timer or not, and we have. All right, we got it set up on a mechanical timer here, and normally you would just cut the plug and wire it in, but we didn't want to do that because we bring this pump inside in the wintertime, so we just left the cord and we cut an old extension cord and added it in there. So we'll turn it on and show you. When you fire this thing up, it starts up in self-priming mode, which is high, and then you can program it to a lower speed. We have ours programmed to come back on low. So we'll do that now. Self-prime 3450. It'll stay like that for 2 minutes. And we're doing good pressure on the head. So we'll come back when that kicks down. Excellent pressure for a 24-foot round. Keeps it nice and clean. And as you see there, we have low speed set. And you can program it to whatever speed you want. It does come pre-programmed to different speeds, but we got ours programmed pretty low. Oh, there it goes, it kicked off. So 2200, and now it'll stay like that for the whole time the timer is set. Or if you have the timer on all the time, it'll go for 24 hours at whatever speed you set it at. But pretty low. And you can always come back and change it if you want. That's medium. A little bit faster. And then you come back to high, which we only have set at 3,000. We changed that. So you can set it up to 3450 like the prime speed, but there's no need to. And as you can see, it holds prime even at the lowest RPM. There's no air. So yeah, this thing does excellent. Whole season out here, no issues. We're gonna wrap it up and disconnect it, and we'll update you if something happens in the future. But for right now, it's definitely a good win.